best chicken drumsticks recipe, instant recipe, quick recipe, and best of all, flavorful recipe. These are 10 whole chicken drumsticks. Whole means they have the skin on. So first of all, take it out from the packaging. Here, let me wear some gloves. So here you go. The gloves are on. Alright, so if you guys see, these are the jumbo size chicken legs. Okay, take a knife, make a deep cut on 3 sides. It's a big meat pieces, you know. You just have to make sure, and once you make a cut, put it in your bowl. So we will do with all 10 of these guys. If they are small, just make 2 cuts. It's all fine. We just need all the seasoning to get in there. That's all we care. Oh wow, the jumbo. It's like a turkey chicken leg, but no, it's like a jumbo chicken pieces, you know. I said turkey just because of the size. Drumstick, chicken drumstick. So with this packaging, they are already washed up. If you guys see, they already are clean and cut. That's it. Remove the packaging on the side. So this is the bowl with 10 whole chicken drumsticks right there. First thing first, you know, the secret, the best ingredient what we're using, Himalayan pink salt. Get 1 whole spoon of pink salt. If you guys see, I have the crystals, but don't worry about it. Just add 1 whole spoon of pink salt. If you have the crystals or if you have the powder, it doesn't matter. Just add 1 whole spoon of pink salt. This is pomegranate seed powder. Add half spoon of pomegranate seed powder. Our regular black pepper powder. Half tablespoon of black pepper. This is serrano pepper. These are 3 of them. I chopped it. I actually put it in a food processor. Just process it, 3 of them, and add all right on top. Alright, this is mango, dried mango powder. Half tablespoon. It will bring the sourness. Sour cream. This is the next ingredient. Add at least 2 spoons of sour cream. And the last ingredient for our recipe, slice a big lemon from the middle and squeeze just right on top of it. Okay, so half done. This is the other half. There you go, just a hand squeeze. Okay, here you go, the gloves and the hands and our ingredients. See how creamy it looks all the way from now on. So once we massage everything, it's gonna be a perfect savory, full of flavor recipe. So here guys, we will massage our chicken drumsticks. So if you guys are making more than 10 chicken drumsticks, if you are making 20, just increase the amount, just double the amount of recipes what I have shared, I have told you guys. So this is a quick recipe, right? We made the deep cuts, so just massage all the marination, the ingredients right into the deep cuts. If you guys see, they are already packing a coating of our freshly homemade, you know, ingredient. It's all been done. This is all we need to do. Put this on the side. Now we will turn on our air fryer grill. This is it. Press the air crisp. It's on 390 degrees. The timing set for at least 24 minutes. So 12 minutes on each side. Press the start button and let it preheat. On the inside, we have our air fryer setup is ready. It's all done. It's all perfectly ready. We will cover with the lid on top. Now let's move back on here. This is our marination. Get canola oil, or you can use peanut oil. Get canola oil. Add at least 1.5 tablespoon of canola oil right on top of it. I need another set of gloves. I want my chicken drumsticks to be soft. Use your hand, give it a mix. So our air fryer will take at least 5 minutes to preheat. And now we have added some canola oil right on top of it. That's all. We just needed the massage. So it has a kind of layer of oil on top of it. It will take 5 to 10 minutes to preheat, and we will wait for our Ninja air fryer to get ready for our recipe, right? I mean, I would strongly suggest try this air fry chicken drumstick recipe right here. So our air fryer, it's been 5 minutes. Our air fryer is telling us add your food. So open up the lid, grab your chicken leg. This is a whole big piece of chicken leg, and place it just like there. This is not a grill, so it's a air fry, right? So we'll place our chicken legs beautifully. This is the first 12 minutes. So it doesn't matter, just place it, make sure they all just get in there. And at this point, at this stage right here, if you guys see, make sure all the marination stays on top of your chicken drumsticks. Sometimes you are craving for the red meat, the chicken leg meat. This is how you have to do it. We have placed all our 10 of the chicken drumsticks or chicken leg pieces. We'll close down our air fryer lid, and we will cook now for 12 minutes on this side. If you guys see here, 12 minutes of our chicken drumsticks, they were getting air fried. If you guys see, there's a char right on top. So for now, after 12 minutes, we will just flip our chicken pieces. Oh my god, they smell so yummy so far. This is air frying. Okay, once you flip the chicken, take a butane torch, right, and try to, what it will do, it will create a smoky flavor. After this, we will cover it with the lid from top, and you will cook it again for 12 minutes. For you guys, it's gonna be just a second. Guys, so the final 20 seconds are right here. We will just open up. Here you go, guys. This is our best chicken drumstick. It's all natural, it's all fully cooked. The bone has separated itself from the meat. You can see, yumminess is on point. Add some fresh parsley right on top, organic cucumbers. Okay, here you go, guys. Give yourself a butane torch. It will give extra smoky flavor. These are all the flavors, I'm telling you. You guys see that? Alright, we are done with our smoking.